Mama Akwaba, wafreme Adwa search name, Mesrel, na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
Season has started. You have all the support and all the tools of government behind you as a certain vice president. Now, when young politician, the party one could launch a manifesto on Saturday. Who shall say Wagana Hanina I would be vice president? Who share media that or boss the same? Not because of a certain impunity and arrogance and disrespect for democracy. It was to try and drown out our message.
Sir.
Oh yes, it wasn't lost on. Even the media people were there. They will tell you, who share was he prepared for that engagement? Let's be honest. Me say. If the fourth estate of the realm, third force, all this impunity will stop. Leader beyond that will be our Ghana.
Impunity for Dr. Bawumia to post the media on Sunday, a day after NBC launched Manifesto.
Start advertising it before our manifesto because he knew he could. They have the money, they have the resources, they have the government apparatus behind them. Who can say media personalities go and call? Sure, we must demand accountability from our leaders. We must also demand the political parties respect each other.
But so, you might also not be fair to Dr. Bawumia.
I'm being...
Maybe also
David, I don't want us to belabor this point. The import wasn't lost on anybody. Now, on your media, me say, me, baby, I have one prayer. As soon as I open my eyes, I soak myself in the blood of Jesus.
Command Samira Council respond, I say, or say, I didn't know so much. MPP launch almost manifesto a week later. I'm saying launch manifesto.
Say, ye Bibia Koshe. Campaign cry, we have a calendar. Say we're the underdogs, so we are very prepared.
But some calendar no Ghana see no calendar.
Said would himself for security reasons. Now so I buy it's not with us. What I say.
Sure.
So for every other consideration, we will only give out a day before, 2 days before, 3 days before. Yeah. So understandably. But me say, if media engagements were characteristic of their campaign so far, we will be fair-minded. Under the circumstances, it's not the case.
Oh, who says so?
Oh, I know it's not the case. Why? We are here.
Wouldn't send a media engagement in Dr. Bawumia?
Bawumia and some over here, vice president, all the radio stations in Namibwa. At least remember the one on Peace FM. Remember the one on City in particular. He used to walk in. Hey,
One more 20 dancers. Omania champion, great champion. Omo here danya ya tomo omo abuchi. Yeah, the ten voter. Enti bu omo happy. Dangerous. Omo bumu kwasia. Say, mono I can for party happy before ba monto abaninti. Omo discussing development with votarians. They don't have development mentality with votarians. Also, yes, we know and Kavota region, one of the closest region to the capital city Accra, and a voter who could do herself a brabo mobo. Factory who she said free education here. Now not to dunk on MPP by the by here and Kualanya and the Daso Ewo Amamua. Both NDC and MPP Nano, the greatest gift are voters any free education. Until they say I am for no. Said the woman yes, Abreno, may both in some more voter for no papa. Because one way penny for more than Debianoma. No, I told Manama boom. Said through development time one. Most young Fanko baby Hoya swing, said the baby in a voter from the home to say meter. Said woman bought down, Eddie on Batom and Nesabi and Ibiaba. Who can show the MPP a year or township? What bones and coffee?
About your home, Mamma Thomas, Sarah, say. Now, mention ya by a be. El Ghana. Now, Kwame, the kind of agenda 111 hospital on one. Say, we are Senya Ebesia, the kind of no a mammy. Now, yen share no, we are. Now, my Baba share agenda 111 hospitals now. Former President John Dramani Mama Cassette say aban say or mine sika. Say ya de kwakwa hospitals makuma 111 ama Ghana for na aban say Ghana for sika. Owie no twa youth emeka say oba agena 111 no obehye kina na waye ne ye pa. What a comment by former President John Dramani Mahama eti kwame yanhwe agenda 111 hospitals no sani ya wi a edekwa akwakoye ye wie pa na yaba aba behwe project no sani akwakwakwakosi so de uje hu no de ensa se free folders no number 1 agenda 111 hospital eye apeguso ewo esojaman apeguso esojaman municipality yeni kan hwe no ne the state of apeguso esojaman municipality agenda 111 project sani akwakwakodu na yanhwe folders number 1 folder number 1 agenda 111 apeguso ena medru horisienti yanhwe the state of apeguso state agenda 111 say na kwakwa former president say unhu ya de kirew we July ena ye twa sa picture anti omadu say de omo ya wie enti no apeguso die no de mfa de so de say kra apeguso die no ke enti enie say ne wonie apeguso say na ye kwame ye fira apeguso a yanko yemra fori krom agenda 111 ewo fori krom Ashanti region ofori krom municipal na yemra the state of ofori krom ye wi ofori krom a na yekọ awutu senya agenda 111 ewo awutu senya eti ye fira apeguso ebekọ ofori krom kwame yanko ofori krom quick yanko ofori krom so de no sene ababa enti we ofori krom agenda 111 ofori krom municipal ewa Ashanti region say na ye oma penti oma she rivers ye wie ofra se ya na se bibia ye krado ba bia ukọ esabia na ayefe enti ofori krom municipal edie na ye hwe ne sisi ye eno agenda 111 former president say oman say sika but owie no asa be ka kire Ghana for say oba obehwe se obewie ni nyina ya nyini ni ebi o de bo ebi o de bo ne ba be ye o ga se be ye ohuru enim kosoro enti ofori krom de nie from ofori krom yanko awutu senya Ghana for mu hwe we nana do dan kwaku for ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ye
over 100 hospitals
111 and why ye ofri me krom okọ me krom osino a Fantakwa South Oma yedru baby ewo lenda do ti wa
Mahama de oman sika be we
ena wo ba na wuram ewo ti wa ewo your friend say enyinesi e kire wa na eno so ewo kwan no wa anti ni yade
eno ka de almost complete
oma wie nchome commission enti we eye kwame we apeguso yenko ba je ko kwame ye ko ewutu senya na ye ko
ansa na osi no so de ese
osino de na ewo lenda do nche ho na enti okay we ye ewutu senya east ewutu senya west we ewutu senya west say na no so tie
na afaja to the voter region
me beba we ewutu senya west ewo central region enie okay yamra back to Ashanti region na ano yenko oti na yenko jasekan just where first ewutu senya eti ekọ jasekan ewo Manase region
jasekan ho oti anase
oti jasekan oti